got a new box, got a new box, got a new box. Thank you so much for joining me. I do a lot of unboxings here, and like primarily my channel is monthly subscription boxes. I do a wide range of unboxings from beauty products to clothing to pet boxes, fitness boxes, you name it, I try it right here. And I thank you so much for joining me. Today is exciting because we got a new box. Let me breathe here a minute. I'm gonna get emotional. Rachel Zoe is a celebrity stylist and she has the most awesome eclectic style that I love and I can relate to. And so with that, she has her very own box. And this box is called Curator. I hope I'm saying that right, Curator. It's a seasonal box. It's $99.99 per season if you want to try an introductory box. Right now, the welcome box, choose your first box, it's just $34.99, and you can actually choose which box you want. There's a glow-getter box, a chic escape box, and a weekend retreat box. So those three options, one of those for $34.99, and then after that, it'll renew as a seasonal membership for $99.99 per quarter. Now, it seems like a lot of money, $99.99, but the value of these items in this box are said to be way, way beyond that. So I am so excited to open Curator box here to my channel right now. Let's do it. I need a new Mamacita cutter, I think. Look at this. Look at this. Curator box. It says, welcome to a life well curated. Join our community by following us on Instagram. So right off the top, it has a magazine. It's called the Curator magazine. And on the cover is Rocky Barnes. So inside, it's got all of the items that are inside the box, as well as different articles and, ooh, look at that. Look at all this stuff, you guys. I can't wait to take a look at this more in depth. But yeah, it has all of the items in here. Then in the beginning, it has a letter from Curator Rachel Zoe. So excited.
A few moments later.
White tissue paper. And right off the top, look at this, you guys. Look at this. I know what this is. I totally know what this is. I am so excited. All right, so we're opening up the bag with the bag. Oh my goodness. So here we have a tote. And it has some items inside. So this tote, you guys, has two handles here. It's a Rachel Zoe tote, and it is a value of $105. This is absolutely gorgeous. Perfect for summer, perfect for going out on the town, going to the beach, just to carry around wherever you want. This has a sleek black piping and a structured top handle. I like this handle, it's very durable. Pair it with a bateau striped tee for Riviera flair or a printed caftan to exude 70s glamour. Very, very, very cute. And inside, it's got all these items inside. Look at that. So instead of stuffing the rest of the items inside the box, they put them inside the bag, which isn't exactly a bad idea. Okay, let me just grab this other item that's kind of by itself in the box first. This is, I've seen this one on Instagram. This is what I've been looking forward to. I love this print so much. It's got some paper stuck inside. There we go. Okay, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Just a lightweight, gorgeous. Look at that. It doesn't go with this, obviously, but it is super pretty. Super, super pretty. And then it has like the bell sleeves and then the tie in the front. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. Inside it says the Tulum Caftan. That's what it's called. It's a caftan. Caftan. It can be worn over everything from a bathing suit to a tank and tees to a tank and jeans. I can totally see like a white tee underneath it and then just putting it over top, wearing it with jeans. Definitely a fun look. Wear it with maybe some camel colored heels or camel colored sandals. Very, very pretty. I love this. And the value of this is, oh, wow. This has $198 value, you guys. This caftan does. Woo! Cha-ching! And then I mentioned that the tote has actually $105 value. So we've already paid for our box beyond. Next we have inside the bag, ooh, it's a Melinda Maria necklace, it says. All right, let's open this up. Comes in this cute little purple bag. Oh, okay. Make your dreams come true, it says. Okay. Oh my goodness. So this gorgeous Lariat necklace, look at this. This is actually a piece of jewelry that I would buy. I love this. I love the way it hangs. It's gorgeous. This has a value of $74. It's called the Carry Chain Necklace. Let's try it on just for funsies. Look at that. It has like a moon. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see with the light there. It's so pretty. I love that so much. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous necklace. I love it. I feel so fancy. Let's see what else is in the bag. Chanel. Looks like we have Ultimate Hydration. This is a sample of the Hydro Beauty Micro Serum. Just a fun little sample to try. Chanel. Ooh, what is this? This is called Golden State Carrot Seed plus Rosehip Nourishing Facial Oil. This is from the brand's Onekind. On the back it says, get that golden hour glow with a luxe nutrient-rich blend of 20 plus oils and extracts, including healing carrot seed and brightening rosehip. So basically it brightens your skin for a healthy glow while fighting signs of aging. Anti-inflammatory, virgin and organic sea buckthorn oil. So it has a $45 value on this oil. It's supposed to help with aging and just giving you a nice youthful glow. So I'm excited to try that. I'm not into a lot of these oils and things like that, but I'm very interested to try them just to see. Maybe I will fall in love with it. You just never know. One more thing. This is a Marc Jacobs. Ooh. Marc Jacobs Recover Hydrating Coconut Lip Oil. I love myself some lip stuff. This is called Kissability. Mwah. All right, let's open this up if I can get it open. There we go. Oh, I love that. Look at that packaging. It's an ultra hydration, the name of the game come summer, and this nourishing formula boasts 5 different kinds of coconut oil. Use alone for a plump, natural sheen or as a primer to soothe and hydrate lips before applying your favorite lipstick. Well, I've got lipstick on already, and I'm just gonna try this. There we go. Yeah, it smells like coconut. And we all know that coconut and summer go together, for sure. Ooh, I like how it goes on. It's not so like sticky. I don't like lip things that are like sticky, icky, like where it just, I like it to feel light on my lips. I like this, yes. Okay, so let's take a look inside the bag. It's empty now, so we can show you how big it is. It's a decent sized tote. It has a couple different pockets inside of it to put whatever you want in there. And then it also has a little zipper part as well. So you can put whatever you want in the side and zip it right up. And then to close the entire bag, it simply has a button. So yeah, that completes the Curator box unboxing. Now it's time to do our thing. You guys ready? You guys ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's rate that box. All right, let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. This is the Curator scoring part of the video. We are gonna go ahead and rate the box based on a variety of factors. 1 being the quality of the items, 2 being the overall price point of the items and the value, the presentation of the box, as well as the quality of the items as well. So we give a rating based on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being, you need to get this box, or 1, stay far away, just no, don't do it. We got this gorgeous caftan. We've got the Lariat necklace. We got the Marc Jacobs lip oil. We've got the Onekind Golden State face oil, face oil. And then we've got the tote. The tote. So all of those items for just $99.99. And the value is way, way freaking beyond that. So this thing was like 200 bucks. This thing was like 300 bucks. This thing was like 35 bucks. This thing was like 49 bucks. The necklace, what did I say that was? I don't know, but that was up there as well. So, cha-ching, that's a lot of freaking value for your money. I feel like I'm gonna wear this like all the time. And yeah, so I love the variety of the items. These are all great items for summer. I'm gonna probably wear this thing every day because I freaking love it. So thinking about the variety, legit. Thinking about the quality, decent. And I'm probably gonna use everything in this box. I will give this a try. I'm not so sure about it, but everything else I'm definitely gonna use for sure. So here we go. Drum roll, please. We are gonna give the Curator box a 8. An 8. Curator, you get an 8 because let's face it, I love trendy things. I love the style. I love all of these things. I mean, I'm actually kind of speechless because this box is probably one of the better boxes I've ever gotten. Like probably in my top 3 favorites for sure. Curator box, I cannot wait to see what the next box entails. I love it, you guys. I freaking love it. If you like my video, please give me a like, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next unboxing.